Welcome to Toledo, the ancient city where history comes to life. Situated in the heart of Spain, Toledo is a captivating destination brimming with culture, heritage, and architectural wonders. Join me as we embark on a journey through this enchanting city, where every corner tells a story. Let's start with the basics. Toledo is located in the autonomous community of Castilla-La Mancha, just south of Madrid. It's easily accessible by train, bus, or car, making it a convenient day trip or weekend getaway from the capital. As we approach Toledo, you'll notice its striking skyline dominated by the Alcazar, a fortress perched atop a hill overlooking the city. This iconic landmark serves as a reminder of Toledo's strategic importance throughout history, having been a key stronghold for various civilizations, including the Romans, Visigoths, Moors, and Christians. Upon entering the city, you'll be greeted by a labyrinth of narrow streets lined with medieval buildings, churches, and synagogues, each bearing witness to Toledo's diverse cultural heritage. In fact, Toledo is often referred to as the city of the three cultures, reflecting the harmonious coexistence of Christians, Muslims, and Jews during the Middle Ages. One of the most notable features of Toledo is its architecture, which showcases a blend of Mudejar, Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque styles. The city's crown jewel is undoubtedly the Toledo Cathedral, a magnificent Gothic masterpiece renowned for its soaring spires, intricate sculptures, and breathtaking stained glass windows. Step inside and marvel at the grandeur of this sacred space, where every corner is adorned with exquisite artwork and religious relics. But the cathedral is just the beginning. As we explore Toledo's old town, we'll encounter a wealth of architectural treasures, including the Alcazar, the former residence of Spanish monarchs turned military museum, the Puerta de Bisagra, a majestic city gate dating back to the 10th century, and the Synagogue of Santa Maria la Blanca, a stunning example of Mudejar architecture. No visit to Toledo would be complete without delving into its rich artistic legacy. The city was home to the renowned painter El Greco during the 16th century, and his influence can be seen throughout its museums and churches. Be sure to visit the El Greco Museum, where you can admire some of the artist's most celebrated works, including The Burial of the Count of Orgaz. Of course, Toledo is not just a feast for the eyes, it's also a paradise for food lovers. Take a break from sightseeing and indulge in some traditional Castilian cuisine at one of the city's many taverns and restaurants. Sample local specialties like perdiz estofada, stewed partridge, cordero asado, roast lamb, and of course, Toledo's famous marzipan, a sweet almond confection that's been made here for centuries. Whether you're fascinated by history, captivated by art, or simply seeking a taste of authentic Spanish culture, Toledo is sure to leave a lasting impression. Until next video, adios and hasta luego.